people, this is Rumbi and welcome to another episode of Rosary Princess TV. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you 5 important greeting words in my language. And my language is called Shona or Shishona. Shona is one of the Bantu languages. And Shona is spoken in some parts, it's mainly spoken in Zimbabwe and some parts of Southern Africa. So you're going to enjoy, it's one of the languages that is known to be sweet. It's a sweet language. In my language we say Chishona Chino Tapira. So wait and enjoy as I share with you 5 important greeting words. Word number 1, Makadi. Some say Makadini, but Makadi. 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 Makadi is a question, and the question is asking, how are you? It's as simple as that. So you should know when you go to Zimbabwe, go and say Makadi. Okay? But when you're greeting someone you know, you add their name in front of Makadi. Makadi Amai. That is when you're greeting your mom. Makadi Baba. That is when you're greeting your dad. But when you're greeting someone you don't know, you just say Makadi and that's enough. Also, when you're greeting one friend, your friend, someone you can call with their first name, you can just say Wakadi instead of Makadi. Makadi is there to formalize things. So when you're greeting someone who's not your friend or someone who's maybe your father, when he's greeting you, because he is older than you, he says Wakadi Wa, because you are younger than him. But when you're greeting your dad, you say Makadi, Ma and Wa. That is, and also when you're greeting your friends, when they are more than one, you say Makadi because they are more than one. That's the part I just wanted to clarify. That's where that's the difference between the Shona word and the English word. Okay, second one, the second word we're going to learn is Mangwanani. Mangwanani. Okay, Mangwanani. Okay, Mangwanani is the same as say good morning. So the same applies, the same rule I said in the first word applies. Mangwanani. You just say Mangwanani is enough when you're greeting someone you don't know. But when you're greeting someone you know, you add their name in front of the word Mangwanani. So you say Mangwanani Baba, Mangwanani Shamwari, Mangwanani Peter. So with these ones, with Mangwanani, you don't have to change the word. Mangwanani applies to everyone, whether young, old, your friend, your parents, you still say Mangwanani. So you say Mangwanani Rosary Princess. Okay? Mangwanani Baba, because you know him. It's your dad. But when you are greeting someone you don't know, that's when you just say Mangwanani and that's enough. The next word, the third word is Masikati. 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 Okay, Masikati means good afternoon. When it's afternoon, we just say, good afternoon. We say Masikati, and you add the names. The same applies as I said for Mangwanani and Makadi. You just say Mangwanani Baba, because you know him. Baba is your father. You say Mangwanani Baba. When you're greeting me, Masikati Baba. When you're greeting me, you say Masikati Rosary Princess, because you know me. But someone you don't know, you just say Masikati and that's enough. The next word, the fourth word is Maneru. Maneru is the same as good evening. Good evening, Baba. Okay, I mean, good evening, Maneru. Maneru Baba. When you're greeting your dad, you say Maneru Baba because you know him. You can just say Maneru when you're greeting people, you don't know who they are. But as long as you know who this person is, you add their name in front of the greeting. The next word, the next and last word for the day to make them 5 is masquera say. Masquera say is another question, and this question is asking, how's been your day? Okay, so we ask with this one is the same as makadi. Instead of the same concept applies wakadi, makadi. So makadi is when you're greeting either a group of people, more than one person, or when you're greeting someone older than you, someone you can't call with their first name. Because as I told you, in my culture, you can't call your father, you can't call elders with their first name. You have to talk to them with respect. We call it respect in our culture. So, masquera say, that's the word, right? How's been your day? Masquera say, you ask, masquera say Baba, you add his name. Masquera say Amai, you add her name. Amai is mom, and Baba is dad or father. So you say masquera say Baba because you know him. Then when you are greeting your friend, we go back to the same concept I explained in Makadi. You say when you're greeting your friend, John, your friend is John. Let's say your friend is John. You just say the same as Wakadi John. Now you're saying Wasquera say John. Wa. So you just change wa and ma. Just depends who you're greeting. So it's as simple as that. I can't wait to read your comments, and I can't wait to hear you guys speak Shona. Please don't forget to click that red button and subscribe because more is coming. So Chishona is very important in my culture because you cannot separate greetings with our culture. Greetings are a very important part of our Shona culture. Now it's time to practice. We learn a language by practicing. Let's do it.